Good morning, students. I hope you are watching the videos and completing your homework. So we are doing animal tissue. Animal tissue is of four type, that is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Among that epithelial tissue we have completed. Now we are doing connective tissue. Connective tissue on the basis of the matrix it is of three type, that is the connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue and vascular tissue. Connective tissue proper means where the matrix is jelly like. Example, areolar tissue, adipose tissue, tendon and ligament. These four already we have done. In last video we have done about the tendon and the ligament we have completed. Tendon means that connective tissue which joins muscle to bones, whereas ligament means which joins the bones to bones. Now today we have to study the skeletal tissue. That means example of that skeletal tissue, that is the cartilage and bone. Today we have to study this. Now skeletal tissue. It is a connective tissue in which matrix is solid and living cells occur in fluid filled spaces called the lacunae. Now listen children, this matrix is very important in context of the connective tissue, because on the basis of this matrix only we have divided the connective tissue into three types. First was where the matrix was jelly like. In that four example was there, that was areolar tissue, adipose tissue and then ligament and tendon. Now here in skeletal tissue this matrix is solid. An example of this skeletal tissue is cartilage and bone. Another thing is that here the fluid filled spaces are there, means the space is being filled with the fluid and that spaces are known as the lacunae. And the main function of this skeletal tissue is to provide support and protection. And it also forms the endoskeleton. Now example of this, or we can say that it is of two type, that is cartilage and bone. One by one we will study about it. Now cartilage. It is a firm and flexible supportive connective tissue in which the solid matrix has fluid filled lacunae having 1 to 4 living cells called chondrocytes. So here the matrix, already I have told you that it is solid matrix is there, fluid filled lacuna is there where 1 to 4 living cells are there, and the living cell of this cartilage is known as the chondrocytes. This you remember, because whenever you write the difference between the bone and cartilage, this point you have to mention it. So this is the chondrocytes. It forms the soft endoskeleton. Matrix is made up of protein and sugar. So this you remember, that here matrix is made up of protein and sugar. And where we can find this cartilage in our body? In the nasal septum, pinna. Pinna means the ear. Okay, the outer part of the ear, that is the pinna, epiglottis in the neck region, larynx in the neck region. So here we can find this soft supportive connective tissue, and they are flexible also. And two things you have to remember in this point, that first of all, that the cell by which this cartilage is made is known as the chondrocytes, and the matrix is made of protein and sugar. Now what are the function of this cartilage? It provides support and flexibility to the various part of the body. As these cells are flexible, so it provide, or we can say these tissues are flexible, so it provides support and flexibility to the various parts of the body. It prevents frictional wear and tear of bone tips by forming their articular surfaces. So wherever the joints are there, on the above of that you will find that the articular surface is there. So that prevent the frictional wear and tear. Next is intervertebral disc of cartilage function as cushion against stresses. So in between the vertebra, this cartilage function as the cushion against stress. See the diagram. Here blood vessel is there. Chondrocytes are also there. See here, these are the chondrocytes. Chondrocytes, I think you must have remembered, the cell present in cartilage is known as the chondrocytes. Okay. And this is the matrix. Matrix is made up of, or we can say the hard matrix is present here and contain the sugar and protein. Okay. So these here you can find that these are in group. These chondrocytes in the group of 2, 4, you can find that these are in the form of 2 or 4. Now next topic is bone. Bone is solid, rigid, strong and non-flexible skeletal tissue which consists of solid matrix with fluid-filled lacunae having osteocytes or bone cells. So there we have seen that in the cartilage the cells are known as the chondrocytes. Here the cells, bone cells are known as the osteocytes. It is hardest tissue of the body. Matrix consists of protein and mineral. There we have seen in chondrocytes that the matrix contain the protein and sugar. Here the matrix contain the protein and minerals. And mineral matter is made up of phosphate and carbonate. It can be calcium phosphate or calcium carbonate or magnesium phosphate or magnesium carbonate. So these are the mineral present in the bones. Now the function of this bone, it forms the supportive framework of the body, means it support the body, it give protection to the vital organ like brain, heart, etc. So here the vital organ means the very delicate organs are present in our body that are being protected by this bone. For example, skull protect the brain, like ribs protect the lungs. So these are the bones which protect the inner vital organs. It provides the surface for attachment to many muscles. So many muscles are there. There it provides the surface to attach. Blood cells are formed in red bone marrow of the bones. See here the diagram of this bone. These are the Haversian canal. Haversian canals are the matrix as well as the osteocytes or bone cells which occur in concentric rings or lamella. See this, there you will find the ring like structure. See here. These ring like structures are known as the lamella. Okay, see here it is being marked. These ring like structures are known as the lamella around the nutrient filled Haversian canal. So these are the nutrient filled Haversian canal. Okay, these are the nutrient filled Haversian canal around which the lamellas are present. And these canals have 1 to 2 blood capillaries, nerve fibers and the connective tissues. Now the main difference between the bone and cartilage. Bones are very hard and flexible, whereas the cartilages are comparatively soft and flexible. Matrix is made up of protein complex, known that protein is known as the ossin, whereas the in cartilage this is formed of protein called the chondrin. Here in the bone, the matrix possesses the abundant quantity of mineral salt, especially phosphate and carbonate of calcium and magnesium, whereas the deposition of mineral is rare in case of the cartilage. Bone cells occur singly in bone, whereas the cartilage cells occur singly in twos or four. It may be in the single or can be in the twos or four that already I have shown you in the diagram. So I think you must have understood. So children, be prepared. Next Tuesday I will take the test. That is the plant tissue. You prepare plant tissue. I will write the note in the campus care also. So be prepared for the test. Next Tuesday I will take the test. So I hope you must have understood, and write down the homework that you have to complete the difference between the bone and cartilage and draw the diagram of both bone and cartilage. Thank you.